Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. I'm Can. Today we're gonna learn about how to follow a wave, or the follow wave, whatever you want to call it. I just call it the follow wave because I'm waving and my other hand's following it, okay? I don't know who this came from or whatever, but I've seen a lot of people do this, and all it is you're doing a hand wave, okay? Whether it's your right hand or your left hand, whatever it is, make sure your other hand follows along, or your other arm follows along. Doesn't matter. The concept is one wave is following the other, okay? So this could be an example of a follow wave right here. If you do this and then the other one's connected and you follow it through, okay? But this one's pretty common. Another one that you can do is attach it from the wrist and then follow it along, okay? So all I did was took my other hand, put it right here, okay? Think about the leader and the follower, okay? One hand's gonna lead, the other one's gonna follow. So no matter what, wherever this hand goes, the other one goes along with it and follows it, okay? So here's one that I like to do a lot. First, you have to have your hand like this, okay? And all I'm doing is just putting it out like this, and the wave pattern is gonna go up and down, up and down. That's it, okay? Up, down, and I'm only using my fingers and my wrist to create the wave. See that? And then this one is just gonna go like this, a normal wave, okay? So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, down, up, down, boom, 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 boom. And this comes in handy, especially if you're trying to go different directions. Okay, if you want to go up, all the way down, over here, 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 to the front, to the side, vertically, you can go like that. You can pretty much go wherever, okay? And this one, I like to do it because this one has two different dimensions. There's one flip this way and one going this way. So you see two different shapes. Sometimes people go like this, where it's the same dimension, right? You can do that as well. It's the same thing. This one's waving like this. And as soon as it gets to the wrist, this one continues it, okay? So that's the trick. Once it gets to the wrist, boom, that's the start of the next wave. Instead of going from here to here, you're going from here to this one, like that. Okay, so those are the rules for that. And once you get the rule down, you could pretty much do whatever you want. Like sometimes you could break it, and let's say you go here, here, whoosh, freeze it, go back, boom, catch it back on. Okay, so that's the follow wave. All right, so we're gonna try a couple of different follow waves. All right, the first one I already showed you is just going from the side. Let's do one where it goes straight down, okay? Same concept, you're going left and right instead of up and down. You're just going here, 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 and you slowly draw the wave as it comes down. And you wanna make sure that it's balanced, okay? If you're going this side, you have to go the same amount on this side so that it creates that illusion, okay? Because if you go just on one side, it's not gonna look as pretty. All right, that's just my opinion. So here we go. So starting from here, boom, this one goes here, okay? So here, here, boom, 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 boom. Go to this side, go to this side, this side, this side, this side. And then you could reverse it, okay? Like that. And remember, this has to keep waving, but let's say you don't want this to even wave, and let's say it's connected just like this. You don't even have to really wave it, you just have to follow it, okay? Because look, you can go here, 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 and I'm not waving anything, but the path that I'm drawing is a wave, okay? I'm not actually waving my fingers. So boom, 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 like that. And you can go backwards, of course. So here, 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 here. And the timing for that, one goes first, then the other. So it's always a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so for example, if I did the same thing sideways, this goes up, then this goes up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, and that's the follow wave. All right, and sometimes you don't even have to touch the other side. You can detach it and try to still follow it. Okay, like that. All right, there's different ways to do it, but as long as one thing is following the other. Now, what happens if you follow it with something else, not the other hand. Let's say what if you followed it with an elbow? You could totally do that. So here we go. Boom. See that? Now you could really play with different things. So now imagine your elbow is actually the leader and then your other hand is following. See, you can come up with so many different concepts with just playing with different parts of your body. Okay, so there it is, the follow wave. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at ken.poriotics if you want to learn more about dancing, and you'll probably see me do this wave right here a lot in my videos. So yeah, if you need an example, there you go. And if you have questions, go ahead and message me whenever. All right, peace.